Hey guys, so we're in Key Largo. We stopped at the first place that you could stop to see the water. It's kind of choppy out. It's okay, it's kind of pretty. But so what I wanted to tell you about was last night we went to two different raw food restaurants. And the first one we went to is called Me Diva or something like that. And so we go in, and the staff is really not that friendly. And whenever you go into a raw food restaurant, you kind of expect to pay a little bit more. So we get there, and we're looking at the menu, and we're like, okay, $14 for a raw vegan pizza. Okay, we're usually normally paying like 10 to 12. So, okay. And then they have their desserts, and it's a raw vegan pie. And they're like, okay, $14 for the pie. Okay, so we thought that was it. And then, so I talked to the lady and I'm asking her about the raw vegan pizza, and she's like, oh, it's just a slice. And I'm like, one slice of pizza for $14, and you don't get like a side salad or anything like that? And she said no. And I was like, and your pie is one slice for $14? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, okay. And I was like, thank you for your hospitality, but we will not be eating here. I'm gonna turn around. And so we went to this other restaurant, and it was called Choices, and I was like, awesome, we have choices. So we ended up getting some raw wraps, and they were so good. And it came with a salad, and we got a piece of lemon pie, sorry. And it was like $30 for all of that, which is not bad. So I just had to, what?
It was 50.
Well, with tip, it was 50. But anyway, so it was good.
There's two side dipping sauces.
Yeah, we got some raw cashew sauce and some pesto without nutritional yeast, of course. And anyway, so yeah, I wanted to tell you all about that. So we are going to keep on going down to the Keys and possibly go see some of Brett's family later.
Pretty sure we will.
Anyway, so alright guys, bye.